Southern Coastal Cooking here. I've got my little office or my Southern Coastal headquarters here that I'm just having to redo. This is my little room that I like to do my, shoot some videos in, store all my cooking stuff and everything like that. You see this big wall right here. I'm going to put some slat wall, I think is what you call it. Put that up this afternoon. I'm gonna put two big 4x8 pieces over there. Then also, like probably over here or over here, I want to get some of this other stuff that you can put on the walls, and I'll show it to you in a moment. But it's really, really good. I'm thinking that'll make for hanging some of utensils, pots and pans, things like that. So you got some more spaces over here. It'll be really, really good. Better than just the slat walls made for some of the bigger. I'm talking about this wall control, the organization you crave, and I'm really wanting to try this stuff out. Look how they make this stuff for the pots and pans, and it's basically like stainless steel, pegboard. It looks so much better. Really, really cool stuff. So I'm hoping to incorporate some of that stuff in the build. I'm gonna just kind of do some videos as we build along here, but we're just getting started tonight. And like I said, I want to show you we're gonna do some slat wall tonight, and hopefully I'm gonna get some measurements and get some of this stuff in here real soon. About this called, yes, it's wall control. See, I went to the website here, wallcontrol.com. So that's pretty cool. So I got a good bit done tonight. Well, when the heck we're saying just. What we did is we put up some slat wall, and this is 8 feet wide slat wall by almost, we were trying to do it 8 feet wide by 8 feet tall, but we could only go about 7 feet because I didn't want to have to cut around the plugs and stuff like that. So this would be a great display for some of my heavier stuff. Of course, I was talking about doing that, let me show you here. Some of this kitchen pegboard organizer, and that's what I was thinking about, maybe over here somewhere, or possibly over here. Over here I've got about 26 inches space right there, and I've got 38 inches right there across, and of course got plenty up and down. So I think I could hang some of that over there, or possibly right over here on this wall. But it got a long way to go. I mean, just demolition in this room. We had to just, a bunch of stuff going up to the attic. Got some knives hanging and stuff over there. It's all just so messy over there, but we're just moving stuff around. So we'll repaint everything like that. And we'll keep y'all up with the Southern Coastal Cooking kind of a headquarters or project here. So I think this will be pretty cool, y'all.